Hey guys, it's Travis Wallen, the service guru at the Service Shack. With the outbreak of COVID-19, social distancing is critical for you at home and while you're at work. This is resulting in commercial collection being down, but residential collection volumes are rising through the roof. So there's an urgent need to convert any existing commercial front loader to an automated front loader to allow your fleet to respond to the expanded need of residential collection. Plus, its automated front loader functionality helps to keep your operator in the cab safely focused on the residential route. Today I want to touch on the importance of maintaining your Curotto-Can. Curotto-Can is the fastest refuse collection system on the market with a wheel stop to wheel start cycle time of around 4 seconds. It's the most cost-effective way to service a container bar none. But that also means it needs some periodic attention to maintain that level of performance. Think of it like a race car. You wouldn't see a race team sitting in the stands watching the race. They're in the pit, making sure that that vehicle is running in tip-top condition. Well, the same goes with your Curotto-Can. Make sure you are lubricating the can weekly, as well as inspecting hoses, electrical connections, and arm functionality each and every day before you go out on route. This preventative maintenance doesn't take that long and can mean the difference between servicing 1,200 homes per day or going on the truck down report. If you need help or further information, contact your local Heil dealer or reach out to Heil Technical Services by calling 866-310-4345. Remember, we're always here to help, and we're all in this together.